Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making ranch tuna casserole in the Ninja Foodi. Okay guys, I'm starting out on my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to start out by adding a 16-ounce pack of wide egg noodles. And guys, this is going to make about eight healthy helpings. But it's going to be my family of 5, my niece, my great niece and nephew coming over for supper tonight, so this will get mopped up. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. You can also use water. If you use water, add about a tablespoon of salt, but I'm not adding any salt because the chicken broth has salt in it. Alright, now this calls for like a cup of frozen peas, but I couldn't find frozen peas nowhere. I went to 4 different grocery stores. This pandemic stuff is really getting out of hand. So I had to get frozen peas and carrots. This is a 14-ounce bag, so I'm going to add about a cup of my ball in it. Yeah, the carrots aren't going to hurt nothing. It's going to give you a little extra vitamins there for your health. Let me grab a spoon, guys. I'm just going to give this a stir quick. Get the noodles moistened up with the chicken broth. Got a carrot here that went overboard. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of water in there, guys, to cover that pasta. Okay, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So this is a total of 6 cups of liquid in here, guys. And not to worry, these noodles will drink a lot of that up. And if we need to, we'll drain some off, but I'm almost sure that'll drink that all up. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure I'm set on sealed. I'm going to turn on my Foodi, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 4 minutes. Alright. When my 4 minutes are up, guys, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Okay guys, my time's up. You can see my noodles drank up all that liquid. It's a little tiny bit in the bottom. As I stir this, that'll soak right into the pasta. And my noodles are nice and tender. I probably could have did them for like 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 10 ounces of milk. And guys, this recipe was meant to be done in the oven, but I'm modifying it for the pressure cooker. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to add in about 8 ounces of sour cream. This here is a 16-ounce container. Alright, now I'm going to add in 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. These are 10.5 ounces each. I'm going to add in a half a cup of ranch dressing, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Okay, that's looking good. 2 cans of tuna that I drained the juice off of. And like I said, guys, this is going to feed a crowd. You can cut this recipe in half if you need to or want to. Alright, we're looking good, guys. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. Let me give this a quick stir to get my wet ingredients mixed together. Guys, it's going to be really creamy. I just want to get everything all well incorporated in there. Dexter, why do you keep saying Eric's name? Eric's my oldest son. He's sleeping right now because he works 3rd shift. He has to get up soon. Now I'm going to take about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese and stir this in. bit off of there. Now I'm going to put my air fryer lid down, and I'm going to set this on the bake setting. We're going to set this at 350 degrees, and I'll give that 10 minutes. And halfway through I'll go in there and give everything a good stir. Okay guys, my time is up. Like I said, I went in periodically and stirred that around. I'm going to put a little more cheese down in there because I think it needs a little more. We're going to go for another cup of cheese. So I'll make a total of 2 cups of cheese in there. And this will melt rather fast because this is nice and warm inside. And guys, this is looking good, nice and creamy. And if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, you should really consider getting one because they really work nice, guys. All in one cooker. Now I'm going to add some cheddar cheese on top here. Just a nice healthy coating. Alright, looking good, guys. Looking good. And my buddy David in England, he's going to like this recipe because he has a Ninja Foodi and he just wants to cook everything in it, whatever he can get in there. Now I'm going to close my lid down. I'm going to turn this back on, and I'm going to set it on the broil setting, and I'm going to give it 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll check it. If it needs more time, I'll give more time. We want to get that cheese nice and golden brown. Alright guys, this actually only took 4 minutes. You can see how nice and golden brown that cheese is. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I add a little bit of parsley for some color. Let me get in here and try this. And look at how nice and delicious that cheese looks. All golden brown. Noodles are nice and tender. And like I said, you probably get away with pressure cooking those for 2 minutes rather than 4, but they're not mushy or nasty. They're good. But you can taste that ranch coming through. The sour cream, the tuna, cheese. That's really good, guys. I tell you what, you might want to give this a try because that's really creamy and delicious. Alright, there you have it. Ranch tuna casserole in the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.